In this lecture, we will delete some of the resources we use to complete our project so that we don't get charged. And the resource we are going to delete is the virtual machine, the network security group, the NAT gateway, and the public IP we created for the NAT gateway. To start, in the search box, type virtual machines. Then select virtual machines under services. Select your virtual machine, then click delete. We are going to leave these settings as default. Make sure your OS sticks, network interface, and public IP address is also checked. Then check this box and click delete. We are now deleting the virtual machine, and we will give it some time for the virtual machine to be deleted. We have successfully deleted the virtual machine. In the search box, type network security groups. Then select network security groups under services. Select your network security group. And the first thing we are going to do is select subnet to disassociate the network security group from the public subnets. Select the public AZ1 and click disassociate and click yes. We will do the same thing for public AZ2. Select it, disassociate, and click yes. Once we have disassociated, click overview, and we are going to click refresh here just to refresh, then click delete and select yes. We have deleted the network security group. In the search box, type NAT gateways. Then select NAT gateways under services. Select your NAT gateway and select subnets in the left menu. The first thing we will do is disassociate our private subnets from this NAT gateway. So up here, click disassociate. We have successfully disassociated the private subnet from the NAT gateway. Click overview, then click delete and click yes. We are now deleting the NAT gateway, and we will give it some time to be deleted. Once we have deleted the NAT gateway, in the search box, type public IP. And select public IP addresses under services. Select your public IP, then click delete and click yes. We have successfully deleted the public IP. These are all the resources we need to delete in this project. And with that, we are at the end of this project. The next project you should complete is how to host a dynamic web app on Azure. If you have any questions or there's any part you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next project. Bye.